My November look like that. Wherever they at. What is this day? Alright, it's your boy Shawty Pimp ATL, Hitting Them Streets YouTube channel. Excuse me. Early in the morning. But today is turkey day. And I'm about to cook this turkey. See, I already got the rack. I see them King and Hawaiian rolls over there. Yeah, everything else already hooked up. But today is gonna be turkey cooking day. So let's get this turkey started. Let me show y'all what I got. Let there be light. Somebody been messing with my turkey fry. Let's investigate. Alright, it's the best thing smoking right here. See, all y'all be using grease. I don't use no grease. That grease set your house on fire. But what I got right here is a charbroiled oilless turkey fry. Charbroiled. Propane hook up. I cooked the turkey last night. So that's the stuff you can make gravy out of. But I cooked one turkey last night. Them damn cats came back. There's some cats in my neighborhood. They kept trying to steal my turkey last night. Kept watching them damn cats. You're not gonna get my bird. But yeah, let me show y'all how this thing works. Now this thing right here, that shit gets super hot. So they give you this little jiggler thingy. So you can pick that thing up like this. Yeah, safely move it over there. Yeah, I gotta clean that out, but that can make gravy. Alright, so what you wanna do, you wanna come over here, turn your propane on. There we go. You gotta turn on that mother. That's what it's about to do right there. Turn that on. There you go right here. Put that thing on light. You gonna hear it. 2 clicks. Y'all see them flames? See them flames and they can't really see them. But yeah. You see? Yeah, the flames are in there. In there somewhere. But y'all get the idea. The flames is around there. But you can feel the heat. Feel that heat. And that's all you do. You just drop that turkey off in there. Just that simple. No grease, nothing like that. And that turkey come out crispy. Real crispy. So let's go get the bird. Y'all come on with me. Look at touchdown. That touchdown. He ain't wanna fight them cats last night. Oh sucker. Yeah, he ain't gonna fight the cats. Oh, I feel good in here. It's a little cold out there today. Tell her, what you want? Come on, eat your food. Yep. We was on the hookah last night. Hookah. Let's see what we got in here. We got the ham. We gotta move some stuff out the way. Y'all hold tight right quick. I'm setting me up. Gotta move some stuff out the way. Got that ham right there. That ham. Oh, ham. turkey number one. What I did last night. And turkey number two. Going on the fire today. Alright, I'm back. Okay, even though they got this little red, the little red thing right here, that's pretty. But now we got a thermometer in there. So that thing gonna go beep, bing. Turkey done. So turkey ready to go outside to its final destination. Alright, that hold tight. Alright, we back. Now the bird about to go to its final destination. Let's go, bird. The bird. Y'all see the bird? Now I'm about to go in the hole. Ooh, y'all hear that sizzling? Bird in the hole. Watch that temperature. Bird cooking. As long as y'all don't run out of that right there, bird gonna cook fine. Alright, put the rack on there. Let the bird cook. So the bird gonna cook about 4 hours. With no oil. I'm telling y'all, look, ain't no oil in there. Y'all seen it for yourself. No oil, man. I need to get one of these. They're about $100 at Academy Sports. Yeah, about $100 at Academy Sports. Ain't no oil at all, man. Why you gonna have that thing crisp? So I'm gonna get back with y'all in about 4 hours. Let that turkey dome do what it do. And we gonna eat. And it be Thanksgiving, folks will be pulling up, we'll be talking trash. And we gonna fellowship. So I'll give y'all about 4 hours, man. Get back with y'all. Shot a pill ATL, frying the turkey with no oil. That's how I do it. I'm out. All right, we back after that long commercial break. We about then we about an hour and a half, maybe, yeah, about an hour and a half in, maybe 2. Let me show y'all what this bird look like. Got the Hawks hat on, cause I'm cooking a bird. Not a dirty bird, not a hawk, but it's a Seahawk. It's an eagle. See, y'all gotta grab that thing hot. Yeah, look at that bird. Like I said, no oil. Y'all see that temperature? Yeah, it's gonna rise on up. They got good, that bird look. Mouth water. Yes, sir. They got about 2 hours to go. I set that back down. Yeah, about another 2 hours. Then that bird be ready. All right. Got y'all turkey cooking. All right, let me go get the turkey. Let me go get that turkey. Let me go get the turkey. Right back. Get back. bird on it. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a bird. Look at that bird. Alright, we got a bird that was already cut over here. Show y'all the end result. Look at that bird. Just, look at it, golden cut from juices. All the juices coming out. So that's the end result. And that's how you cook a turkey with no oil. Once again, I already eat on that turkey. Turkey number 2. That thing juicy. Look at it. Y'all see that? The juices coming out of that thing. So that turkey over there almost gone. And we turkey number 2. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoy y'all Thanksgiving. I'm out. Shabbat Shot of Pimp ATL. Cooking that oilless turkey. See, we ain't need that right there. We don't need that. That's a no-no. That's a no-no. I'm about to enjoy this Thanksgiving dinner, man. I hope y'all enjoy y'all Thanksgiving. Your boy Shot of Pimp. I'm out.